Hello guys, in Java language, how to write the program. Okay, how to start Java program for the beginners student. Okay, if you want to write the first programming in Java language, so what you will do? Okay, today suppose you think your first class in Java language. So how to write the first program in Java? You have every time when you write the Java program, you have to give the class name. Then the class, this will be the small letter, all, because it is a reserved word. And after that, any choiceable name you can write. Suppose first program. Then this is the basis. You can keep it here, you can keep it down also. Okay, if you can give the braces here also, anywhere you can give. After the writing the class name, you have to give the braces. So guys, कैसे जावा में हम प्रोग्रामिंग लिखेंगे? ओके, सो दिस इज द स्टेप्स. क्या कोई भी प्रोग्राम अगर हम जावा लैंग्वेज में लिखेंगे तो क्लास नेम हमको पहले देना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद ए रिजर्व वर्ड है, इसके बाद हमको देना है द प्रोग्राम नेम. दिस इज आवर चॉइसेबल नेम. ओके, ए क्लास नेम्स it is called identifier also. Then I am writing public, static, void, main. ARGS. Then after the function's name, so these statements function signature. So after writing this, you have to give the block. You can keep it here also. Braces you can keep here. Otherwise here also. Okay. First line class name. Second है functions name. Functions name के बाद हमको braces देना है. ये अगर हम यहाँ देना चाहते हैं तो यहाँ पर भी दे सकते हैं. Anywhere you can place it here. But after writing the functions name. Now suppose I want to display your name. Suppose I want to display my name or address. So which statements we use? In Java language, if I want to display any informations on the terminal screens, then we have to give system.out.print and println. Two statements are there. System.out.print and println. See, system.out. S capital letter, print ln. I'm writing hello. System dot out dot println. Welcome to my class. See, this is after writing any informations, you have to give the semicolon. So this is identified a statement in Java language. In English language, when you are writing any sentence, you are giving the full stop. Here you have to give, after finishing the statements, you have to give the semicolon. It's identified a statements. Okay, suppose this is your first program. Then you have to close the functions name, then the class name. Opening braces, this is the closing braces. After that, you have to, after writing the programs, you have to compile the programs. So when you compile, if there will be no syntax error, then computer display no syntax error. If error is there, then that error will display. Okay. So now after that, you have to run the programs. When you run, your output will come. First line hello, second line will come welcome, welcome to my class. This will come in 2 lines. Okay, because I am using print ln. What does it mean? Print ln का मतलब है the informations you write on the same line and cursor will come to the second line. ln मतलब next line. Cursor goes to the next line after printing. Clear? Hello, welcome to my class. So now here public, static, void, main. This is your choiceable name. Instead of main, you can give any name. XYZ, ABC, okay, anything. This is your choiceable name. So this is also an identifier. Class name also is an identifier. It has rules. It starts with an alphabet, not with any digit. Both them. Okay. This for class name, for functions name, you cannot give any reserved word. You can use only the special character as a underscore and dollar sign. No other special characters are used. Number you can use, but in the middle. Only the underscore signs allow and dollar signs. Next other symbols are not used. Okay, so when you write by using system printer, public is a access specifier. So public, like public, private, protected, all these are access specifier, but I am using here public. Static, when you use static, then main treat as an object. Computer create direct as an object. Void is a type of functions. Okay, type of functions means functions is of 2 types. One is pure, another one is impure. So this is when you are using void, then it treat as an impure functions. So it is an impure functions. Now I am writing here print ln. So what I said, 2 statements are there to display on the monitor. So this is the syntax for Java language. Print ln, system.out.println. In basic language that will be the print. In C++ cout, like that. Okay. Print ln. Now if I use here print, so what will happen? Instead of print ln, if I use print and print ln both same. Now print, this is also help us to display on the screen. Print ln also display the informations on the screens. Abhi, just you see, notice that if you write print, then hello, computer write hello, then cursor not come to the next line. Okay, cursor will not come in the second line. So cursor remains after printing, cursor will remain in the same line. Then here, welcome to my class. Okay, if you use print, it comes in the same line. All informations, print, all informations come in the same line. So if you want to get line after line, then you have to give print ln. Without print ln, if I want to write it in the second line, so what will do? If I write here /n, just I added this slash, and it is root \. This is escape character or escape sequence. If I give this one /n for next line, it is escape character. Every escape character you have to give within a single quotations. We can use with print ln statements. Now if you give /n, then what will happen? In that case, hello, computer will print hello. /n, it means cursor will come to the next line. Welcome to my class. So if I write /n, then computer bring the cursor in the next line, the second line. So anywhere you can use /n. If I use here, see, if I use it here, then what will happen? Okay, if I use it here, welcome /n to my class, then hello, welcome to my class. Okay, so when you write any programs in Java language, so this is the process. You have to give the class names, then you have to give the functions name, then after that you write. If you want to do the calculations, then calculations type programs. Now calculations type program, suppose I want to add two numbers. I want to add up two numbers. See, when you want to add two numbers, suppose I am writing int a equal to 100, semicolon, int b equal to 200, semicolon, int c equal to 80, int sum equal to a plus b plus c. This is now calculations program. I want to add, okay, 100, 200 plus 80 in a. Now this is your output variable. These are input variable. Here we are storing the data. A equal to 100. So these are variable or field name. Okay, A, B, C, all these are variable or field name, you can say. This is also follow the same rules of identifier, which follow by class names and functions name. See, after calculations part, storing, calculate, now the last step is output. So for output you have to write system.out.print or println. Sum of three numbers equal to plus sum. See, this is in the first programs I showed you that hello within a double quotations, that is treat as string value, string data. Okay, string, the means constant, string constants when you write within a, you have to write within a double quotations. Now see, variable when you write, then variable never will be within a quotations. Okay, so this is variable and this is the string constant. String constants and variable when you write in same line, okay, with one information, then you have to give the plus sign. So plus sign work here as a concatenation. Okay, concatenations, joining of two, means constants and the variable. Then after that, suppose closing. Then after you compile this, after compiling, when you run the programs, then output will come. Output will come sum of three numbers equal to 380. So it will display on the screen. Clear? Now int what? A is a int variable. Int means only the integer portions values are there. No decimal value you can take. If I want to take 100.95, then instead of int you have to take double or float. Okay, so now see here, one more question is there. A is an int, b also is int, c also int. So after int again int again int, so you can write it in the same line. By how? By how you can write it? Same line. See, you have to give separator as a comma. Just see, in same line I can write it. int a equal to 100, b equal to 200, comma, c equal to 80, then. So when you are seeing the same data type, variables are same data type, then we can write it in this way. A equal to 100, b equal to 200. So a, b, c, all these are data types are int. That's why you can write it by using comma, comma, comma. Okay, so another process. So this way also you can write. First you declare the variable. How to declare? Int a without b, c. This is called declaring a variable. A, b, c, all these are as a integer variable. Later you can give the value like this way. Int a equal to 100, semicolon, b equal to 200, semicolon, c equal to 80, semicolon. This way also you can write it. I am writing in the same line. You can write it down, no problems. Okay, a equal to 100, b equal to 200, c equal to 80. So how to write the first programming in Java language? So this is the process. Okay, now I will show this one in computer also. How to write? If I give static, then what will happen? If you don't give static, then what will happen? Okay, bye. And you must subscribe my video. You must subscribe my channel also. And any questions regarding Java programming, if you have, then you can send me message. I can explain the program also. Okay, if any doubt you can send it. Okay, bye.